Orator, Chancellor, members of the Academy, fellow laureates, honored guests, and friends. I'm honored to be here today and humbled to be among the other laureates as we receive an honor that bears Lincoln's name. As a person who was born and raised in Springfield, and as a lawyer practicing in Illinois, I've always felt the enduring presence of Abraham Lincoln, who still influences our civic life and the profession in which he served. Lincoln's life and character were profoundly shaped by the world in which he practiced and from the lessons he learned from those experiences. His capacity for work, his deep understanding of human nature, and his gift for language, of course, were great assets as he traveled throughout the circuit and practiced in the courthouses of Central Illinois. His practice brought him into contact with a wide variety of cases and a wide variety of clients, and from these experiences, he would have learned the fundamental role of American society and the need to ensure that all persons enjoy access to our system of justice. My own career as a lawyer has spanned more than 50 years. In that time, I've seen numerous changes in our legal system, from office technology to laws affecting individual rights and responsibilities, to name just a few. Laws in the legal system evolved to meet the needs of a dynamic society and reflect changing views on the appropriate role of the state in the lives of its citizens. One important aspect of the legal profession that has not changed, however, is the willingness of lawyers to donate their time and resources to improve our system of justice and to provide legal assistance to persons who cannot afford the services they need. The role of the Supreme Court, on which I served, is twofold. One is to shape the law and ensure the integrity of the process. The other is to administer the judicial branch of government. Lawyers are crucial to each of these roles. In shaping the law, lawyers, among their many other responsibilities, have the important task of writing the briefs and making the arguments that present to the court the issues to be decided. The court's decisions then appear in opinions, which are binding on all of the courts of the state. On the administrative side, lawyers from every part of the state serve on the many committees and commissions of the court. Staffed by the administrative office, members of the committees and commissions study and make recommendations to the court on matters ranging from rules of procedure in civil and criminal cases to matters relating to professional responsibility, among many others. Equally important are the hours of unbilled pro bono work provided by members of the bar, which represent a major contribution by the legal profession to the public and to our system of justice. Last year, for example, the 540 lawyers at the Jenner Law Firm in Chicago provided more than 90,000 hours of pro bono service to members of the public who could not afford to pay. Combined, that is the equivalent to the work of 50 lawyers and associates of the firm working full-time to provide legal services to those in need, voluntarily and without charge or any expectation of compensation. Other large firms have similar programs. And throughout Illinois, more than 31,000 of the state's lawyers last year performed legal work on a pro bono basis that together accounted for more than 2 million hours of work, an average of nearly 65 hours for each attorney. In addition, $95 of the registration fee paid by each lawyer each year is used to fund legal aid services throughout the state. Through these volunteer activities, the legal profession is able to improve access of justice for many who might not otherwise be able to effectively participate in the legal system. Winston Churchill, an admirer of Lincoln, observed, "We make a living by what we do, but a life by what we give." Lawyers are generous with their time and abilities, make for themselves a life, not merely a living, through pro bono work and by improving our system of justice through their work for the courts and the service to the bar. In giving me this honor for the work that I've done, you honor these lawyers as well. I thank you for that, and I thank you for this wonderful award.